ngaro zanje natandika kukakebera nareba akantu tinkachenga nabuza abantu teka kantu mwakiha bagira ngo nturuga kuri wowe abasurukale naje nti mwaza kundetera bomu banangu nti mugaruze ubu nanyenda kukafundu ndukakwata kwata mutwe hati kuna kana jiransi abana bakiha bakatomusha basohora musagari kuba ikahero ya sagari bakwata kitafali bahonda niko kubara.
Grant is not even a kilometer. It is just near. So it is our request that they should look for a place which will be maybe gazetted for them on purposely for that work, not within the people.
Abaana ngama komenga langira bakararo musase na yinga na itinerera na munga kanwa na nga na behutana na manga ikahana
bateirwe kubi umwe yaftara akuguru ondizo yaftara ahanda polisi yone kora okutondoza kumanya chome chikuchecha byeche Bomu na kuchibaze kuhika mwanyo.
This one was a female lady called Musochi. For her, she had just a shock, and her condition at least is improving very well. She has no bruise. That one is the condition is okay. Then the next was Mumbere Gilbert. For him is a male, aged 13 years. He had only a bruise on the arm, and he is admitted in children's ward. For him also, his condition is not worrying. However, there is one boy who survived, at least sustained fractures on all the two legs and on the right arm. He's still in a coma, but the orthopedic surgeons have confirmed to me that the condition is not worrying.
Polisi negira ngo bwahati etegerize abakugu kwija bakakebera akomaka kureba yabe birero Bomu. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi, omuri KASESE.